Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to do a quick unboxing or bagging. It's a small bag, pretty thick. Should have a item I purchased from eBay, more than likely something for the limited 4Runner or the SR5 4Runner, same 2000 year. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright. Bag is empty. Very well packaged. Lots of bubble wrap. So this does look like 2000 4Runner. This is the ashtray that is for the wood grain limited dash kit that I bought, the 8-piece dash kit. You're gonna have to clean it out. This actually might be. This one looks like it also comes with the assembly. So this, yeah, the assembly where the light goes for the ashtray. So this is actually the one that I purchased for the SR5, because here is the assembly and then the ashtray by itself. It did come out of a 2000 4Runner. Looks like it just needs some cleaning up. Doesn't look like it was ever used as an ashtray. Kind of looks like it was used for change, because there's scratch marks in here where you would put change. Which is good, because mine was never used as an ashtray either. But this is the whole assembly, so that's awesome. I only paid like 48 bucks, something like that, 49 bucks for it. It's a pretty good deal. Just a quick video, nothing fancy. It does have all the markers on it where they marked it when they took it out the vehicle of what it came out of. You know, it was item 320 or 321432, and it came out of a 2000 4Runner. But that's all I got for you guys. Just giving you guys a quick update, showing you guys what it is. I'll more than likely, when I'm tearing apart the SR5, show you guys how it goes into the assembly of the wood, the dash piece, the center dash piece, center console piece. The wood grain is in the limited. This one's going to go in the SR5. I do have one coming that is just the ashtray. It's not the assembly at all. That one goes to the wood grain dash kit that I had purchased from the exact same place, which was J&J Auto Wrecking. I got the dash kit, which is all the switches, all the door switches and window switches, as well as all the dash pieces, the speedometer bezel, the center console bezel, the actual shifter bezel, and a couple other pieces. And the ashtray I bought, they were selling it separate. I bought it from them because it belonged to that dash kit. And a lot of people don't realize these ashtrays are very, very picky. Like, you can take this ashtray off and put it in any one of these assemblies. Does not mean it's going to be straight. These are actually very, very picky units for whatever reason. So sometimes the brackets are slightly different. So like this one slides perfectly straight, open and close, but some of them actually do not close straight. Some of them actually hang crooked, and it's the assembly. So that's why I wanted to purchase the Ashtray, this one that came with its assembly for the SR5, and that's why I wanted to purchase the Ashtray itself. This assembly is actually still bolted to the dash piece that I purchased. So I wanted to purchase everything that was available for that dash piece, and those dash pieces come with all of the window switches, the door lock switches, the mirror rotation switch, as well as it comes with the dimmer switch and the rear e-locker switch. So paying $300 for all of the dash pieces, and they come with all of their working switches, is actually a pretty good deal, because you can purchase just the master switch on the driver's side with all of its switches is $300 on its own. So it's not a bad deal. $50 for this Ashtray that I can fix my SR5, and then, you know, $49, $52, something like that for the other one. Not bad at all. Do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. This video doesn't need to be any longer than, you know, the 6 minutes it is now. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I do, at the top of the description below, do have an Ulsa Tools link that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order when you use it. All links are affiliate links, so I do get a commission when you guys use them. If you use them, it's much appreciated. It allows me to bring stuff to the channel, like tools and stuff for you guys to see. The channel money did not pay for any of these parts that I picked up for the 4Runner. I will always let you guys know what the channel money has purchased. If it's purchased any of these things, I will let you guys know. It has not this time. But hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys stay awesome. Peace!